Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can make a deposit at a Santander ATM without a card. Now, to make a deposit at a Santander ATM without using your physical debit card, you can follow these steps based on the Santander's guidance. So first, you can use contactless via mobile wallet. So you have to ensure that you have Apple Pay for the iOS or Samsung Pay for Android, set up with your Santander debit card. So you can find a contactless enabled Santander ATM, so your branch or the application that can help identify these. So you can tap on your phone on the ATM's contactless reader, then enter your card PIN on the ATM screen, then you just have to select deposit money. Now, from there, you just have to enter the amount that you wish to deposit and insert banknotes only, so no paper clips, envelopes, and etc. And then confirm the displayed total and press OK. Now, you can also remove your phone once the transaction is complete. And for last is to use the branch alternatives. So if the ATM near you isn't contactless, you can visit a Santander branch or ATM that accepts cardless deposits. Or you can also use the Santander authorized post office or CVS or even the Target ATMs or the Santander application to locate them. So some countries also offer post office deposit services. So availability varies by the region. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!